Michelle Edwards, CPA, owner of Trailhead Accounting Solutions. Thank you so much for joining us. Today I want to walk you through the first step to improving your cash flow. The first step to positive cash flow is you need to make sure that you are making a profit in your business. To know this, you simply want to pull up your profit and loss, also known as your income statement, from QuickBooks, Xero, any other accounting platform that you're using. That number at the very bottom of the report is going to show you your net income. If your net income is a positive number, yay, that's a great start. It means that your income is greater than your expenses. And that is the first step to having positive cash flow. On the flip side though, if that net income number is negative, it means that your expenses are in excess of your income, and that's not a good thing for cash. It means that you're paying out more cash than what's coming in. Now, if you're thinking, I don't get a profit and loss, where do I get this? No problem. So if you have a bookkeeper or an accountant working for you, this should just be something that they send to you automatically every month after they close the books. If you're doing your own bookkeeping, this is an important reason why you need to keep up with your books on a monthly basis. If it's too much to handle, no worries. If your bookkeeper's not sending you a profit and loss every month, then it's time to switch bookkeepers. Give us a call, we'd be happy to help. If you hang on, we'll switch over to QuickBooks and I'll teach you how to pull a profit and loss in QuickBooks Online, giving you the tools to help you succeed in your business.
Great, so let's dive into QuickBooks Online and I'll show you how to pull a profit and loss on your own. So once you sign into QuickBooks and you're at the main dashboard, you're going to come to the left menu and select Reports. From here, under your standard reports and under Favorites, typically profit and loss just shows up right here. So you can click Profit and Loss. And then since this is a sample company, it's not completely populated, but I know there's data from, let's look at April through the end of July. Oops, 19. And then I'm going to display the columns by months. You can do by totals, but I like to see what's happening on a monthly basis. So then I'm going to hit Run Report. And then down here, your profit and loss is going to populate. So if you have never really spent time looking at this, you just get this report with a bunch of numbers and you kind of just glaze over. I get it. Let me walk you through really quick how a profit and loss reads and what's on here. So the first couple numbers are your income numbers. These are anything that you invoice to customers. These are anything that you, sales, if you ran through your point of sale, cash deposits that you came in, these are all of your income. So then you scroll down and you'll have your total income. So you can see this landscape company from April through July has total income of $575,000. So they're running a pretty good company. And then under that, you have all of your expenses. And you've got, all of your expenses all the way down here until you get to your total expenses. This tells you that they're running expenses of $591,000. And then down here, your net income number. This is where really the magic happens, is you can see, are you making money or are you losing money in the months? So if you look, you can see, the month of April, they had an income of $16,000. So I'm just only looking at net income. Now, please understand there's so many other variables that go into whether or not your cash is positive or negative. But if you're running a positive net income number, that's the first step to having positive cash flow. So that is a good thing for them. But then you jump over and you look at May and they're running at negative $51,000. That means that their expenses were $51,000 in excess of what they brought in from their customers, whether it came in cash or receivables from those customers. That hurts. That means that I would expect them to have a cash crunch just based on that alone because their expenses outweighed their income. Then you jump to June and they recover a little bit and they have a $34,000 income month. July, they're back to losing money, have a negative $19,000 net income number. So for this time period from April through July, they have a negative $19,600, so almost negative $20,000 in net income. that's not a good thing for a business. Businesses running in the red like this or with a negative net income number can't survive very long. Again, because your expenses are in excess of your income. So if you want to improve your income, this is the first step. This is a simple win that you can accomplish this week. Go into QuickBooks, go into Xero, pull up your profit and loss and figure out, are you running a profitable company or are you running a company in the red? What can you do to flip this around? Running a company, a profitable company, month after month will help ensure that you're one step closer to having positive cash flow. If you have any questions, if you need any help, definitely reach out to us or visit us at www.trailheadaccounting.com. We're happy to help. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.